establish is that you understand and you agree that your ability to operate your vehicle had been negatively affected due to your consumption of alcohol. But you don't believe that to be true? Ms. Sumler, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
Yes.
Okay. And did you read your rights form?
Yes.
Did you understand those rights and the options they give you? All right. All right. It says you're going to plead guilty to operating while impaired and no valid operator's license on person. You understand the possible penalty for those charges? And are you pleading guilty to those charges freely and voluntarily today? All right. On February 1, 2026, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus?
Yes.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time?
Yes.
And prior to driving the vehicle, did you consume some alcohol?
Yes.
You're right. Did you take a blood test or a breath test?
Mhm.
Do you know what the results were? Can you share that with me? 0.4
Yes.
or 0.04?
I didn't know it was 4.
Okay. All right. Do you feel that your ability to operate your vehicle was impaired due to your consumption of alcohol?
No.
Okay. Do you have kids?
Yes.
Would you want me to drive your kids around the state of Michigan after drinking as much alcohol as you drank? Why? Why not? Because why? Okay. But you were drinking. Do you think my ability to operate my car with that much alcohol in my system would have been lessened? In other words, not as good a driver as I normally would be?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think you were driving as well as you would have if you had no alcohol in your system?
Yes.
You did?
No.
Okay. So you think your ability to operate your vehicle had been affected? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So do you think it was impaired? That's what impaired means, is you're not driving as well as you usually would because you were drinking the alcohol. I'm not trying to trick you, ma'am. I have to establish a certain factual basis to accept the plea that you're trying to enter. And one of the things I have to establish is that you understand and you agree that your ability to operate your vehicle had been negatively affected due to your consumption of alcohol. But you don't believe that to be true? Okay. All right. Then I can accept your plea. I'll dismiss both the original charges. Are you working?
Yes.
Who do you work for and how long have you been employed with them?
I've been employed for 6 months.
All right. All right, I'm going to send you down to our probation counter and they're going to schedule for you to come back for a pre-sentence interview. That just means you're going to sit down with the probation officer, do some paperwork and answer a bunch of questions. Based on that interview, probation will prepare a report and a recommendation to me about what your sentence terms should be. When you come back for your sentencing, you'll have a chance to look at that report and then you and I will talk about that report and anything else you want to talk about before I decide what your sentence should be. Do you understand the process? In the meantime, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. The first 2 conditions are pretty obvious. Stay out of trouble and show up for court when you're supposed to be, and they're going to tell you when to come back when you go downstairs today. Third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. So that means no marijuana and no alcohol. Understood? Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond?
Yes.
Do you have any questions? You sure? Downstairs, hang out by the counter and they'll call your name. You're welcome. Davis. Good morning, ma'am. Are you moving forward today without court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form? Did you understand your rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge of no valid operator's license on person? And understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, you understand that if I accept your plea to the no valid license on person, the Secretary of State could resuspend you. And you're still willing to do that plea and move forward? All right. Did you in fact operate a vehicle on, what is it? September 19, 2024 in Romulus? At the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charge. Are you working? What do you do? Okay. What's the status of your license?
I'm in the midst of planning my course of trying to get it now.
All right. Other than us, who are you dealing with?
I already took care of Western.
Good. Good. Where else you gotta go?
Detroit.
Okay. All right. So you're getting there. Any idea when you're gonna get your license back?
Got to complete, finish the work program with Dearborn, and I actually start the work program with Wayne on the 28th.
Okay. Do you have a court date set up with Detroit, or you just gotta go down there and? Okay. It's just a money thing with them? You're not sure? Okay. All right. So you, at this point, you can't say, well, I think I'll have it by such and such a date. You're not that close yet? Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? Okay. So normally on this file, I'd give you $600 fines and costs plus 4 days on our work program. I know you're up against it. So if you can find more time than money, I'll do just straight days with you. Eight days on the work program and you save your money for the other courts. You want to do the days?
I know the work program for Dearborn, I do on Mondays.
Okay.
So Monday, I can do a day of work program.
Stop you. Let me stop you. When are you going to be done with those other work programs?
7 Mondays left with Dearborn, and then I actually start my work program with Wayne on the 28th.
Okay. Okay. All right. So what I'll do is when you go down to schedule, I'll make a note in the file that you don't have to start your days with us until July. That help? All right. So 8 days start after July 1. Any questions? Good luck with those other courts. You're welcome. Oh, I thought that was going over.